Namaste, I'm Amruta and welcome to Tummy to Heart. Today I am sharing with you recipe of Kardan, a sweet unique delicacy which is traditionally from state of Karnataka, a state that is so culturally rich. It is a very healthy dish which is full of dry fruits and made from jaggery. A quick dessert, a healthy snack for kids and adults and an easy recipe. So let's not wait any longer and get started. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon below. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons or 20 grams grated coconut, 1/4 cup or 55 grams black currant, 3/4 cup or 100 grams cashew powder, 2 tablespoons heaped or 25 grams daria dal, 3/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, half cup or 80 grams coarsely chopped cashews, 2 cups or 340 grams dry dates powder, 2 tablespoons or 21 grams poppy seeds or khaskhas, 3/4 cup or 155 grams edible gum, 1/4 cup or 35 grams coarsely chopped pistachios, 3/4 cup or 100 grams coarsely chopped almonds. Ghee for frying: 1/3 cup water, 3/4 cup or 220 grams jaggery. Step 1. Processing poppy seeds. In a pan, dry roast poppy seeds. Roast it lightly for a minute or so and be careful not to over roast it. Later, crush poppy seeds with light hands. Please note, do not powder them. Next, keep it aside for further use. Step 2. Processing edible gum. In a pan, add ghee and heat it. Fry edible gum, but be careful not to over fry or burn it. Next, remove fried gum in a plate. Repeat the process with rest of the gum. Please note, do not remove fried gum on paper towel to absorb ghee, as we are not adding extra ghee while making kardan. Next, place fried gum in mortar and crush it with light hands. Repeat the process with rest of the fried gum. Step 3. Making of jaggery syrup. In a pan, add water and jaggery. Cook it on medium flame till it becomes syrup and one string consistency can be formed. Once the syrup has become thick enough, turn off the heat and keep it aside. Next, add nutmeg powder to the warm jaggery syrup and mix it, and later keep it aside for further use. Step 4. Making of kardan. In a mixing bowl, first add date powder. Then cashew powder. Crush poppy seeds. Mix them properly. Next, add grated coconut, chopped almonds, chopped cashews, chopped pistachios, black currant, dariya dal, and mix it. After mixing the dry ingredients, add crushed gum. Then add warm jaggery syrup. Initially, mix with a spatula or spoon. Later, it is better to mix it with hand. Next, grease a tray with ghee. Then place whole kardand mix in it. Then press on top with your hand to make it tight. Later, cover and rest for minimum 2 hours. 2 hours later, cut it into square pieces. Your kardand is ready, so enjoy. So try out this traditionally Karnataki dessert and let me know if this was your tummy to heart moment. While making kardand, you can use any other dry fruits of your choice. But all the other ingredients must be the constant factor in the recipe. For more details, visit my website, that is tummytoheart.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And hey, don't forget the bell icon too. And also let me know your thoughts on it. For many more such recipes, watch my other videos or go to my website. In the description box below, you will find all the necessary links. So see you next time. Bye.